we must have a country that we all believe in. If you look at the statement made by leaders, especially at independence, because we had 3 major regions and later the Midwestern region, people were thinking more about their regions. So even now, people don't believe that Nigeria is their nation. In fact, people will tell you clearly that Nigeria is not a nation. Yes, we know that in terms of technical definition, but it is not only Nigeria that we have different nationalities coming together to form a country. Almost all the countries in Africa, I can say all. There's no country in Africa that you go, there's only one nationality that you would see maybe in the Arab world, in Southern America, and so on. But others have been able to come together and have a country that all of them believe in. So what is holding Nigeria back? And until we believe that we have a country that no matter what you are, no matter how you worship, we have equal rights, then we have nowhere to go. When I was in office, there's some challenges, information that got to me, and I got worried. Some parts of southern Nigeria, if a Muslim dies, to get a land to bury used to be a problem. Some parts of the north, if a Christian group want to build a church, you cannot get land from the government. Some other person has to go and get land as a personal land before that person can donate to the church to build. And I set up a committee made up of governors that, look, we must move away from this division to not lead the country anywhere. Unfortunately, that came towards the tail end of the government and we couldn't go too far. But these are the things that worry us. A Nigerian must be proud of being a Nigerian, no matter how you worship your God. Look at just West Africa. Go to all the countries in West Africa. There's no country that you don't have Muslims and Christians. Why is that? Why is that of Nigeria is different in different proportions? Nigeria in Africa, yes, countries have different problems. But in terms of religion, the crisis that religion is bringing to us, Nigeria's case is the worst in Africa. And we must cure that. The young people must cure that. And we must all consider Nigeria as our nation. I'm quite impressed that the recent statistics the INEC published, that from the last registration, about 71% were young people. The only problem is that the young people decided to register at the rush hours. They didn't register before. Otherwise, of course, the young population, in terms of demography, the youth are always more than the rest of us. So I believe that this country is in your hands. Most of us are looking backward. So you must select who you believe in at the local government level, at the state level, and at the national level. You should not be used for destructive purposes, going to snatch ballot boxes and destroying election materials. You must have this country and push your country